Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's discuss about one more project. Today we'll review this project. So we know that we are in summer now, so there are a lot of builders are offering very good incentives on price point and a lot of incentives on closings. And the builders have got move-in ready homes. They have inventories now. Not many like big builders have got small inventories left, so they will be closing out these inventories in the summer. So if you're looking out some move-in ready projects in Caledon, we have some good deal here. So let's go through this project. It is Ellis Lane. It's in Caledon. Obviously, we know Caledon has got a lot of greenery, so just like a highway, very near to the Go Transit and Highway 410, and well connected to the larger part of GTA nearby Brampton. So there are a lot of things and good things about Caledon. There are a lot of people would like to stay in Caledon. Obviously, when it comes to Caledon, detached homes are really expensive. So townhomes, freehold townhomes, we are getting at a very affordable price. So in 800 plus range, there are good units are there in this project, but very few. It will sell out very soon. So let's discuss a few models, whatever we have as an inventory. We'll go through it. So you can see here, this model is around 1350 square feet, the Akron end. So you can see here this the corner unit. So just imagine a freehold town, a corner, you don't have anything there. It's almost equal to semi-detached. Okay, so it's a good one. And there's another model called Caledon. It's this one, almost the middle one in between. Yeah, you can see here. So basically the middle one. Okay. So then we have another model called Bayflower. So very good looking, very decent architecture done by major developers in GTA. So around 1,465 square foot. Again here the cardinal end, you can see here, and no buildings here. So almost equivalent to a semi-detached home for the Valley of Towns. So this is around 1,500 square foot, and the next one is 1,600 square foot almost. This is the middle one. So good elevation, good architecture, a great builder. Again a huge corner lot, 1,639 square foot, a big corner lot here. And Springfield, again another corner lots. So these corner lots will sell off fast because people do like corners in freehold towns, especially because they are getting that benefit. One more is Brookside, 1,700 square foot. So 1,700 square foot is Brookside. One more is Denver, 1,792 square foot. So there are bigger square foot freehold towns as well. Again, one more is almost 2,000 square foot, 1,930. So again, a corner unit, the blue pin. So very few units are available. So if you want to book a unit with this, give a call at 289-772-6202. All my details will be given in the description below, my email, my contact number is there. Call me anytime. Feel free to give me a call. Let's chat your requirement on buying a new home. So as we all know that whenever we are buying a new home for the first time home buyers, we are getting a GST rebate. So GST rebate is around 5% of the total cost for the first time home buyers. It's a new program. So a lot of people really doesn't know about it, but it's a really great incentive to buy a pre-built home and now for the first time home buyers. So if you're buying around 800,000 home, you're getting 40,000 on closing. So government is discounting that amount. So basically the government is not taking the GST tax, so we are getting that back. So that's a big incentive to buy the first time home, a pre-built first time home. And moreover, we get a tariff warranty for 7 years. So the home is covered almost 7 years. So you get a never lived home, it's a brand new never lived home. So you are the first occupancy there. So there are a lot of benefits when you're considering a new home. So feel free to give me a call, we can discuss. Again, this is Parkwood End, 2000 square foot. As far as the location is concerned, you can see the location is comes in Ellis Lane here. So this is Mayfield. So it's a very well connected, very well connected location. This is the site plan. It's a huge development. In fact, it's not a small, few homes they are building. It's a huge development. Here there is a natural heritage as well. Here there is a natural heritage. As we know, the Caledon is a lot of green spaces and parks. There's a water body also here. So when it comes to few important things about some closing cost details here. So what happens land transfer tax and land transfer tax rebate is available for the first time home buyers for the newly constructed homes. The rebate only applies for the first the first $4,000 of tax payable. Then tariff warranty is there. Then few more tax details. This is actually we can discuss when we are having one-to-one meeting. So let me know if you want to book any unit in this project or any other project in GTA. We deal with all the builders, especially all low rises. Now at the moment in this summer, the low rise projects has got demand. So we are dealing with all the major builders, all good builders who has got good track record, no cancellations. So feel free to give me a call at 289-772-6202, and also all my details will be in the description below. We can connect and we can discuss about your first time home. Thanks so much.